Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a red recliner with footstool and side table that are scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x2 round plate for our footstool. I'm going to place 4 1x1 round flat tiles. These are going to be our legs, so we're going to be working backwards on this one here. And we're going to flip the assembly over, and for the top cushion, a 2x2 shoe glider plate. For our side table, start with a 2x3 plate. I'm going to place a 2x2 jumper plate on 2 studs, and on the bottom 2 studs, a 1x2 flat tile. This is going to be used to attach our table lamp. So we're going to take a transparent green minifigure head, place it right on the jumper plate, followed by a transparent yellow stud. That's going to be our light bulb, and a 2x2 dome brick. That's going to be our lampshade. Now for legs, I'm going to use nothing more than ice cream cones. So that's where the ice cream cones have been going, is on the legs of the tables. They work very well to keep the table suspended off the floor. For a recliner, start with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to take a pair of 1x2 plates with horizontal end holder. Place these right in the center. Then take a 1x3 plate. I'm going to place a 1x1 plate on one end. I want to make 2 of these. I want to have these to where the 1x1 plate is on the same side with the holders. Then I want to lock all this together with the pair of 1x2x2 corner plates and a modified 1x4 plate with 2 studs. This is going to be used to where we can anchor our minifigures down on these 2 studs. Then we're going to proceed on with a pair of 1x2 plates. Then I want to give our arms some contour, so I'm going to place a set of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. The bows are on this side with the holders, and I'm going to finish up these 2 areas with a pair of 1x1 flat tiles. Now we're going to slide this off to the side. We're going to start with a 2x2 flat tile. We're going to flip this over, and I'm going to take a pair of 1x2 plates with shaft or stick. Place these on as shown. That's if they want to go on. Then take an upwards 1x2 by 1x2 angler plate. Place this on top, and in this area a 1x2 plate. To give the top of our recliner a contour, take a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. I'm going to place some 1x1 bricks on both sides. Looks like a little telephone receiver. Place this right on our face of our angler plate, and we're going to slide the sticks inside the holders. So it snaps in place. Now we got a nice recliner that is scaled for minifigures.